How to install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 10. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first step you need to do is to go to any browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome browser. Then go to the search. Then search for Microsoft app. Then you need to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see Microsoft Store. So click on this link. Then it will bring you here. So what you need to do is to go to the search at the top here and then search for Adobe Photoshop Express. Then press on enter. So you will see the results here for the search. You are going to see Adobe Photoshop Express, which is free, and then we have the paid one here, Adobe Photoshop paid one. So this is the one that we are going to install. So just click on it. Then it will land you here. So what you need to do is to click on view install. Then you can open store. Then this window will pop up on your screen. So let us give it time for it to open completely. So as you can see, it has already opened. So what you need to do here is to, again, you need to search for Adobe Photoshop Express, or you can minimize this, then click on download. Then after it has downloaded, you are going to double click on it. It has started to download, so let us just give it time for it to finish. So this is going to take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed. It has finished to download and it has installed. You will see this pop up on your screen. So as you can see, app usage to personalize your experience and improve product features. This app sends Adobe information about how you use it. So click on continue. So click on just get started. Then click on OK. So this is it, guys. So this is Adobe Photoshop Express, and you can sign in or you can create your own account. So that's really it, guys. That's how to install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 10. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.